Hey everyone, welcome to Dee LaVigne. If you're new, welcome. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit that bell. That way YouTube will notify you every single time I put out a new video. Hey guys, oh my goodness. So it's been a couple weeks, I know, but I have a really special Cartier unboxing slash reveal for you guys. I'm super excited. I'm actually wearing it right now. Ta-da! I figured I would do this a little bit differently because I did somewhat, well, not somewhat, I unboxed it and revealed it on my Instagram first a couple weeks ago. So I'm going to go ahead and insert those clips right now for you guys to enjoy. How pretty, you guys. I just got a Cartier package in the mail from my best friend. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to open this. You guys, look at how pretty. It's the love necklace. Oh my goodness, in pink gold. I gotta wear this like right now. You guys, this filter, it's giving me a glow, some contacts, like what? Anyways, I wanted to show you guys my necklace on. That's so pretty. Thank you so much, my BFF. So yeah, there you have it. Just FYI, if you aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me at Queen D Fitness and also at The LaVigne Life. I'll link both of them down below. One is like my family mom channel, and the other one is obviously my fitness, and I also squeeze in some fashion from time to time on that page as well. So make sure you follow me. But yeah, you guys, this was actually the first Cartier piece that I got online. Usually I go inside the store because they do have one out here in Scottsdale. So all of my other Cartier pieces I've gotten in store, but this was the first time I got Cartier from online. And technically I didn't do it. Like you saw in my stories, this was an early birthday present from my best friend, April Athena 7. I'll link her channel down below because she's also a YouTuber. But yeah, my best friend got me this necklace for my birthday, which is coming up in a few weeks, you guys. I can't believe it. I'm about to be 30, the big 3L, and I'm so excited, so excited about it. Like, I don't know why. Like, I know it's just a number and like it's just another birthday. As you get older, like birthdays tend to be less exciting, but I don't know, I feel like 30 is a big birthday year. What about y'all? But I'm excited. Some people I know get like really sad to leave their 20s, but I am so excited. I feel like I have accomplished so much in my 20s, and I'm just so grateful for everything that I've been through in my 20s, and I'm excited to just enter a brand new decade of life. So since I haven't had this piece for that long, literally it's been not even a month, it's been a few weeks, but I figured I could still just do like an unboxing review and also like a mini first impressions for you guys, because I have not taken this necklace off since. It is in the pink gold, and I love their pink gold. I feel like they do pink gold so incredibly well. I love how it looks on my skin tone. This is one of the love necklaces, so there are several different designs. This is the just straight pink gold. It's a very dainty piece, which is what I love about it, and the retail price I believe is $2,250 before tax. To me, oh my goodness, this is the perfect everyday piece. Like I said, I haven't taken it off since. I've worked out in it, I've showered in it, I've done basically everything in it. I sleep in it. I haven't taken it off. And the chain, I found that the chain has been pretty sturdy. Like, this is a very strong chain. It's very substantial. If you didn't know, Cartier is all 18 karat gold. So yeah, it's just a very sturdy, everyday, dainty piece, which is something that I've been missing this entire time. Like, I do like to wear like kind of minimal jewelry because I do work out so much and I am just like really dressed down and casual all the time. So I feel like this is like the perfect piece for someone that is very casual or even like dressed up. You can dress it up, you can layer it with a more dressy necklace, but this is just so me. I love it so much. As you saw in the IG stories, it did come in this box, and then here's like the hard case. There's the ribbon right there. But yeah, it comes in this very luxurious, it better be luxurious, right, for the price, box. I love it. They even, of course, packaged it with a shopping bag. In here was the return label in case you wanted to return it. And also, of course, the receipt and the authenticity card or the booklet. Like I said, I know there are like several different styles of the love necklace, but I really feel like this is the perfect, best one for like every day. I was at one point looking at like the round one with the love symbols around it, but I don't know, I feel like that one is a bit more dressy and it is bigger, and I wanted something for like every day. And my best friend just knows me so well. Like, she brought this up. She knows how I look like every day. Like right now I'm filming this video, you guys, in a sports bra and high-waisted spandex shorts because I'm about to work out. So yeah, it's the perfect everyday piece. So if you guys are looking for something that is understated, because like it's very understated, you have to know like Cartier to know what this is, and there are so many dupes I'm sure out there for this type of necklace, but I love that it's very understated, especially if I'm going to be wearing it every day. So yeah, keep that in mind if you guys are looking for something super understated, but substantial as far as like the quality is there. I was a little concerned about, you know, keeping it on 24/7. I was nervous like the chain might snatch or like break because I am very active, but you guys, I haven't had to worry about it since or yet. Obviously I haven't had it for that long, so I can give like a more in-depth review after like a year or so, or maybe even 6 months. But so far so good, you guys. I love it so much. Yeah, I love it. Let me know down below, what do you guys think? Do you guys have any Cartier necklaces? Let me know which ones down below so we can chat. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, leave me comments down below if I missed anything. This, like I said, it's very like casual, impromptu video. I just wanted to share with you guys my first early birthday present from my best friend. But yeah, if you have any other questions about this necklace or anything, leave them down below for me. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.